Hi there. So study session 18 and 19 pertains to portfolio management. To give you a brief introduction about myself, I am Pratik Bajaj, a CA and CFA. I have managed somewhere around $15 million and I find it very practical to teach what all concepts I have learned during my stint at portfolio management company, which we'll be discussing on and off with the whole curriculum. So if I have to give you a brief about portfolio management, what we'll be learning is there are few readings. First is overview, which will be understanding what is the process of portfolio management, what is asset management company, what is asset management, and how do we really pull in money and give out to a fund manager to invest. Then we will be understanding portfolio risk and return, which is divided into two parts, where we'll be understanding a lot of core concepts about the return measure, the correlations, the covariance, the efficient frontier, beta, which is relation between our concerned company with the market. We'll be understanding systematic risk, we'll be understanding what is CAPM model. A lot of those introductions will be taken care. Then we'll be moving forward with portfolio planning and construction. It's just a basic chapter which will give you a flavor of portfolio planning and construction. Portfolio management will be a core part of your whole CFA curriculum going forward. When you go to L2 and L3, portfolio management will take most of the whole curriculum. So portfolio management is just touched about in the level 1, but it will be delved deeper into in the second and third level mostly. So what we'll be learning in level 1 are the introductions, the basics, the laying down the basis on which will be basically the foundation on which we'll be developing the concepts in L2 and L3. Then we'll be moving forward with risk management. It will again be an introduction chapter. It will give you a flavor of what all measures can we really take in order to manage risk. Moving forward with technical analysis, which is, see, what we have really learned is the fundamental analysis part. Understanding portfolio management from a purely long-term perspective. But it's very important, especially in today's time, to understand what is the technical part of it. Stock prices जो हैं, वो up down जाता है, right? So up down का कोई ना कोई pattern हो सकता है. So we'll be understanding what are those patterns on which we can really trade and take short-term bets, which is nothing but technical analysis. And the last one is we'll be understanding the fintech side of portfolio management, which is really developing in and around the world. So what we'll be discussing is big data क्या होता है, machine learning क्या होता है, blockchain क्या है, how can we really take help of those technologies in the finance domain so as to develop portfolio management, right? So that will be discussed in the whole portfolio management side. I hope we really have a nice journey going forward. Thank you.